Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials ready, update the console so new apps install smoothly, sign into a Nintendo account for eShop access, and connect reliable Wi-Fi. Once done, make sure you have free storage. Apps need room to unpack and update. If internal space is low, consider a micro SD card. It's faster than juggling installs. These steps reduce errors and speed installations, so you can jump directly into finding and downloading apps without interruptions. You now go into the eShop to get the app. Choose your profile, then use search or browse categories to find the exact title. Once you pick an app, check the details page for file size, ratings, and required firmware. This explains why some apps won't run. Then confirm the price or free, select download or purchase, and authorize payment if needed. After you start, watch the download progress on the home menu. You can suspend it, but avoid powering off mid-transfer. You finish by letting the install complete and then launching the app from home. If it won't open, first restart the switch. A reboot clears temporary issues. Once restarted, if installation failed, free up storage or reinstall the title. Corrupted downloads often fix by redownloading. If the problem is region locks, account mismatches, or billing errors, verify your Nintendo account settings and region, then retry. And if nothing works, contact Nintendo support with error codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.